and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where apparently we forget to post videos that we recorded a long time ago, but that's okay. So this was actually part of my FIFA World Cup series that I did a long time ago. If you guys want to see the rest of those videos, I'll have it in a card up above. But let's get down to this one. So, yeah, I started with my camera out of focus. There's not really much I can say about that one. But, moving on. I started off by doing almost like a cut crease, sort of, with the dots in white eyeliner. Basically, the whole point of this, well, not the point, but the challenge of this series was to keep the flag-inspired looks still kind of looking like the flag. So with the Polish flag, the white is on top and the red is on the bottom, which posed an extra challenge because usually you want to put a darker color in your crease to kind of give you a little bit of contrast. So, to kind of work my way around that, I decided to go with a bunch of white dots. This actually looked kind of cool. You want to give yourself enough room in between the dots to do 3 layers, but still keep them kind of tightly put together so it doesn't look like there's big giant gaps, if you know what I mean. And also keep in mind that the first row of dots that you put in is going to be almost like a base, or like a, well, yeah, like a base for the red eyeliner that we're going to do later. Next thing we're going to do is apply some winged eyeliner. I believe I have a video up by now, so if I do, I'll leave it in the cards. If I don't, I will work on it, and then I'll leave it in the cards. But you're just going to apply a little bit of winged eyeliner on your eye. The easiest way to do it is to start with the outside, draw like the bottom stick. Essentially just draw a triangle on the outside part and then just line your eye like you normally would. But like I said, I'll have a video later. And then once I had the eyeliner kind of where I wanted it, I went in and I did the other part of the kind of cut crease that I'm doing by following the white dots on the bottom part. It makes more sense if you look at it. But basically you want to use those white dots at the bottom as kind of a guide. You want to keep it as close to the white as possible. And that's pretty much it for that. That's honestly the hard part. Honestly, that's the hard part, like for real. Do though take your time. Don't try to draw it all in one stroke. Kind of pace yourself. That way it can be a little bit more precise and it'll look a little bit neater. And then we're going to take a little bit of red eyeshadow. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line, and I'm going to bring it up a little bit just so I can follow that wing. Kind of wanted it to look like it, but more eyeliner there, but not as harsh as if I would have. You know what I mean? And then to finish off the eye look, I'm going to apply some lashes. If you guys want a video on how to apply lashes, I'll have that linked in the cards up above. I usually do lashes first, then mascara, but if you want to know why, just go watch the video. And then once I've done that, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I mean, I added a little bit of lip gloss, but that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I had fun doing this. This whole series was awesome. So if you guys want to see more country-inspired videos, don't forget to check out the playlist. Also, don't forget to, leave me any comments of countries that maybe I haven't done yet, but I like a challenge. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.